Hello and welcome to Priyanshu's post-match analysis of game number 46, SRH versus KXIP at Mohali. SRH, well, they stay at the top of the table. Most likely they'll make it to the top 4. Really good game by them. Their bowlers, they were toothless today. They gave away too many runs, especially Ashish Nehra. He went for more than 12 runs per over. He did not even bowl his full quota of 4 overs. In less than 3 overs, he gave away more than 30 runs. He had to leave the field with a niggle. Ben Cutting, he bowled 1.1 overs. He was expensive. Yuvraj Singh bowled 1 over. He went for 11 runs. Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Mustafizur Rahman, well, they did not give away too many runs, but they were not as effective as they have usually been. Murali Vijay, he got out early today. He was in top form before coming into this game, but Mustafizur Rahman got him on a slower delivery. Hashim Amla, he came into his own today. He scored 90 odd runs, a wonderful innings by him. He put away anything short and wide, anything on his pads. He played those lap shots today. Nice to see Hashim Amla playing some T20 shots. That's not something I expected from him. Karan Sharma for Hyderabad, he bowled well. He did not get a wicket, but for once he was economical. He gave away less than 7 runs per over in his full quota of overs. Gurkirat Singh Mann, he played a decent innings, but I think they should have sent Glenn Maxwell instead of him. He would have scored quicker than Gurkirat Singh Mann. Vridhiman Saha played a decent little innings too. So did David Miller. Overall, 179, that was a defendable target. KXIP, they do have a good bowling lineup, but today I think they missed KC Karyappa. Marcus Stoinis wasn't effective today. Marcus Stoinis gave away too many runs. What they would have wanted is to get Hyderabad's openers early, at least one of them, but Hyderabad openers again put on a good partnership. Shikhar Dhawan got out in his 20s, he got run out. David Warner, he was hit wicket after scoring his 50, but it was a quick fire innings. Deepak Hooda played a brilliant innings. He got out, but he got them close. In the end, Yuvraj Singh and Ben Cutting sealed the deal. Yuvraj Singh hit 3 sixes. Ben Cutting hit a couple of big sixes. So they both got Hyderabad home with 3 balls to spare. A wonderful effort by these two batsmen. Sandeep Sharma, well, he wasn't getting any swing movement. The pitch was tailor-made for people who bowl good slower deliveries. So I think Mustafizur Rahman was a little expensive because this pitch was to his liking. Mohit Sharma and Sandeep Sharma, they bowled well in the beginning, but then they went for a lot of runs in the end. Mohit Sharma becomes too predictable once he starts bowling those slower balls, and Yuvraj Singh in top form, those are easy pickings for him. He hit some beautiful shots today. Akshar Patel was economical. He got David Warner hit wicket. He gave away less than 7 runs per over. 4 wickets in the last game, but Marcus Stoinis, he did not bowl well today. Overall, 180 would have been defendable had they bowled well, but they would have had to get Warner and Shikhar Dhawan early. I'm glad to see SRH middle order coming into good form. Ben Cutting is known for big hitting, and today he showed why his strike rate is more than 150 in T20 cricket. He'll serve the SRH batting lineup well because they do need some big hitters at the death. He'll provide some solidity, and I think he's a better bowler than he bowled today. So we'll see what happens in the next game. A really good game by SRH, a really bad game by KXIP. I wouldn't say really bad, but KXIP, I think they were down on morale. They knew even if they won this game, they wouldn't have made it to the top 4. I feel bad for Hashim Amla, a great knock, but that did not result in a victory. If he would have come good in the previous 2-3 games, the things could have been different for KXIP. Nevertheless, very good game by SRH. Hard luck KXIP. Bye-bye for now. I'll talk about the Mumbai game and Delhi game in my next analysis. See you then. Bye-bye.